Welcome to LifeKaki. My emergency light bulb stopped working on 220 volts. Is it trash? No. Let's fix it. I removed the cover to access the board and the battery. I noticed the battery connector was broken, so I quickly fixed it with heat shrink tubing to prevent short circuits. Please like and subscribe. Checking battery. The battery looks good. The multimeter shows 3.88 volts, so the power source is fine. Now I check the LEDs with tweezers. I bridge them one by one. Bingo. When I short this one, the lamp lights up. Important. Unplug from power first. Warning, this is a temporary fix. Never touch the graphite while the bulb is on. It's dangerous. Now the magic trick. I use a standard pencil. Graphite conducts electricity. I simply draw over the burnt LED. Let's assemble and test. Screw it in, and it works perfectly on mains power. And look at this. The emergency mode works too. I touch the base, and it lights up from the battery. A simple fix for dark times. If I saved your light, please like and subscribe. And a huge thanks to everyone supporting me with a coffee. See you.